78 multiplied by 54. This is the question. Now look at here. First of all, multiply by 7 multiplied by 54 and start from the 1000 place. Now the next step is 8 multiplied by 54 and start with 100 place. Now keep your finger on 1000 place. So first of all, start with 7 5s are 7 5s are 35, 3 and 5. Now move your finger on the 100 place. Now 7 4s are 28, 2 here and 8 here. Okay, Pank?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the next is 8 multiplied by 54 and start with 100 place. And this is your 100 place.
Yes, ma'am.
8 5s are 40. So 240 here. Less 6 add 10. Now move your finger on the tens place. 8 4s are 32. So 2, 3 and 2 here. 3. Less 7 at 10. And 2 here. Now the answer is 4212.